So we are back with our November Tokyo treat. Sorry guys, I wasn't able to post any videos because I got sidetracked back to work and my little brother was back at school. So yeah. So we get this, a leaflet for all the Tokyo treat family. Make sure you guys scan this to claim your streak, don't forget. Or if you lost your book like I did before, make sure you put in this code and it will give you the streak. So we have here, oh yes, our lucky treat from the Demon Slayer. You guys should watch this, it's amazing. Oh, and also the menu that we have here, this is for the premium one, and we have this one is for the classic one. We're gonna go through all of this later, and we're gonna start with the classic one. And oh, a photo contest. Ooh, that's just like looks good. And yeah, don't forget to post your pictures and hashtag Tokyo Treat Community. Oh, and also thank you guys for everyone who's working hard during this COVID-19 and also making sure that our Tokyo treats come to our houses safely. Let's get to it. Alright, let's find. We have a Pocky Tasty one from the classic. I can already see it. It's there. Ooh, so this one is a Pocky milk chocolate fragrant pretzel. So this is based and made with cultured butter. Interesting. We have that first. And then the second, we have the Kalbi Katage plum and bonito flavor. Bonito flavor is this one. We have one big first packet in here. Interesting. Second one, we have the onion taro. We have the same one I think last time. Well, not onion flavor. What does it look like? This one maybe? Yes. This one. And then next one, dondonyaki. Kimchi flavor. Interesting. Looks cute, the packaging. And it's like matte too. It's not like that one. This one's cute. Alright, next one. Aji curry chips. Right, what is that? Oh, this one. Looks like a prawn cracker, I think. Oh, it's curry flavored, this one. Aji curry. Next one, we have Uncle Pierre's roll cake. Ooh, it's a roll cake. It's a roll cake. I found it. Okay. I can't really feel it because of the air, but I can't wait to try this one. Right. Next one, we have the caramel taro. Ooh, we got another taro here. Oh, found it. It's there. Oh, looks like it's peanut flavor with caramel, I think. Yes. Looks nice. Then, potato fries. What flavor does it is? It's just potato fries. Okay, no other flavor in there. Ah, it's this one. Interesting. Shiny. Right. Another taro. We're all about taro today. Mochi taro. Mochi taro. Oh, what's this one? Oh, the packaging looks so cute. It's like the same as the other one. Look, it's like this one. It's matte. That looks interesting. Right here. And then, oh, Homaibu cheese. Homaibus are really good. I like them. They're good for snacking, definitely. And ramen shop snacks. This one. almost the same as what we got August one, I think. Noodles. Interesting. Another interesting one. Ramen as a snack. Constellation Choco cookies. Oh, it's this one. I saw it already. Cute. I think it's just one. I thought it was gonna be two, but I think there's just one. Yeah, there's just one inside. Yep. That's it. And I think that's it for our classic menu. Right, next to our premium snacks, we have the Dido X Demon Slayer sweet coffee, and it's this one. Yay! It looks cute. It's just a small, like a coffee tin that's like you get on a vending machine. I mean, it's just a coffee blend, you know. Sweet milky coffee. Right. We'll try that a bit later. And then next we have the Kit Kat Japanese cheesecake. Oh my god, this I've been looking forward to this. It's right here, guys. I cannot wait to try it. Oh my goodness. I really can't wait to try this. Look at that. It's so nice how you get like a big packet of Kit Kat rather than just one piece. You know, it's very exciting how you get that in the premium box. Right, next one is we have sweet potato osatsu crackers. Right, it's this one. We got another big one. I think, yeah, it's from the same company as this one. Nice. Very excited to try that. It's all about taro and potatoes this month. Right, coconut sable cookies. Ooh, a coconut one. I think it's this one, yeah. Ooh, I think inside of this will be basically packets of cookies that looks like this. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this one as well. They remind me of these what do you call that, the pretzel that we used to buy in America. They remind me of that, and they have like a cheese filling inside it. Interesting. I'm excited to try that one. And then last we have the Yamato turtle crackers. Right, what's this one? It's another popular snack all year round. It says they're sweet and salty, so it's a sweet and salty cracker. So that's all of the treats that we have in the Tokyo Treats. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below which of these treats you have tried before. And so that's it. See you on the next unboxing video.